Have you ever imagined using a male electrical plug to connect a battery cable? At first, it sounds like one of those ideas that shouldn't work at all. But this mechanic decided to think outside the box and try something completely unexpected. Using a simple male plug, he came up with a creative way to secure the battery cable and make the connection easier. What looked like a random DIY experiment quickly turned into a surprisingly clever solution. Whether it's genius or pure garage creativity, one thing is certain. You probably haven't seen a battery cable connected like this before.